Welcome back, guys. I've got a really great recipe today. I'm going to be making some hot sauce in the Vibe blender. I'm going to do a peri peri style chili sauce, which is great for burgers, barbecued chicken, fish, chips, salad dressings, you name it. This is your sauce if you like something a little bit spicy. So let's get straight into it. The Vibe blender is going to make this really quick and easy for me, and as always, this stainless steel blender jug is going to be my best friend. The great thing about this is that it's going to be very easy to clean. It's not going to scratch and hold on to flavors and strong odors or colors like a plastic jug might, so you don't get any of those funky tasting smoothies after you make a recipe like this. Everything I have here is going to go into the blender jug. I'm just going to start by chopping up some shallots, some garlic, and I've got a mix of long red chilies and bird's eye here. Roughly chop 2 shallots and place them in the blender jug. Add 8 chopped garlic cloves, 8 chopped long red chilies, and 4 chopped bird's eye chilies. Add the zest of 1 lemon as well as the juice. Add a tablespoon of dried oregano and season with a good pinch of salt. Finish with 150 ml of olive oil, put the lid on, and pulse around 8 times until the mix turns into a chunky paste. Pour this mix into a saucepan and gently cook the mix to intensify the flavors. After about 10 minutes, give it a taste and see if you might want to add some sugar. Add around a teaspoon of the sugar of your choice, and then taste and adjust it to your liking. Cook for a further 5 minutes and then remove from the heat. Pour the sauce into a sterilized glass jar and allow it to cool down. So there you have it. You can make your own peri peri style chili sauce in the Vibe blender now. When it's cooled down, put the lid on and keep it in the fridge ready for you to use as you wish. I'm using the Luvele vacuum canister today, which helps to keep things fresher for longer. I'll use the vacuum hand pump to vacuum seal the canister as well. We hope you liked this recipe today and hope you give it a go for yourself at home. And if you do, then let us know what you thought of it in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll be back really soon with another great recipe.